Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay. So tonight we're going to continue on with Elastos and take a look at the command line interface, ela-cli. Now you download it. Let's see where that was that I was just looking at. From right here. And this is the most recent. So we want that, and I'm going to have a look at it in the folder. So if you're on Windows, like I am, you can just open the archive and copy to, and just put it where it needs to go. In this case, I am going to put it, and you can't see this, just put it where I had the where I have the Elastos stuff. So it would be under Elastos is where I'm gonna put it. And getting back here, I'm in Elastos. And okay. Oh, what is the command? Oh, it's X for extract. T just shows you we want X. And we go okay. So now you can see it. Let's go back to the previous page and let's see if we could get some info here. So you can see this is the get CLI info, and what we're going to want to do there is, let's see if I can do this. CLI info get current RPC port 21336, I believe. RPC user equals what was it? I think it's user. And actually, I think they had capital letters. Let's see if that works. If not, we'll just have to look it up. no help topic. Get. No, there is no kick. Okay. So let's do get node current, let's see, get block, get connection count. Let's do this, get node state. Flag provide, oh, it's probably a, yeah, typo there. Usually these are double dashes if you have a full name on commands in Unix. So we bet we need all this. There we go. Okay, and you can see that. So it gives us all the node information. Gives us the neighbors, the height. Remember, I believe we're setting to test now. The rest porters that's interesting because last night none of the rest stuff was working. Let me see if I can find some of the rest stuff. See if we can, because it's saying us right here. The rest port is 21134. So I am going to see if I have that anywhere. Well, we'll just, what is it? And we're going to do Elastos. REST API. That's what we want. Let's go back here. Look at within here. And okay. Here we go. All right. So let's see if this will work. Because when we were doing this last night, it was giving us that, this is going to be a 1, because as you can see, yeah, it says that's the port, but it's never let me connect to it. I'm going to have to look into that. But getting back to some of the things you can do here once you have the CLI. We're just going to create a wallet, very simple wallet, not one that you would use and put any actual coin in, because that would not be such a good idea. Because I'm going to make it a very simple password. Actually, yeah, this is kind of a fake account. Oh, I did CLA, not CLI. Again, someone can hack this, because it's not a secure password, but there you go. So there's your public key and your address. And you can check balance. So let's do that. Well, that is interesting. Let's try something. If we do that's interesting. Why it? I don't know. There's some reason it's trying to do it using the, let's see something. Let's try something. Oh, it's still, this is very odd. It's still trying to go to the incorrect port. And I'm wondering if it makes life easier, because if you look at, where are we now? Where is it? There is. If you see, no, I wonder if there's a way to tell it what port, because it's trying to go to the wrong port, and that's why this is not working. So, but you can do this. We did this get current. So it obviously knows. So that is something I'm going to have to look into. But hopefully you get the general idea that these are the number of commands that are available. And honestly, I do not know why. The only thing I can think of is right here. Doesn't give you. I wonder if there's a. What command you can do for a wallet. Is there a way to connect directly? I think, that's very interesting. That at this point, this is such bleeding edge stuff. It could be a bug in the CLI code, because I am not seeing how you can tell it to not use the wrong port. Probably the workaround is to update the config file for the node and have it use the 0, not 1. So, anyway, it's a little introduction to the CLI for Elastos. And you can see again, we are dealing with bleeding edge stuff that still is in a work in progress. But, you know, this is something as a developer you're going to be using if you are working with Elastos. And sure, it's going to, if this is a bug, they're going to eventually squash it. So anyway, again, hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. And I will speak to you next time. Take care.